Hello, I want to wish you a good morning. I don't know, what time is it? It's pretty dark here because someone's sleeping. Ah, how cute. Anyway, let's get something to drink. A spoonful of chocolate. That's the idea. This is the stick. And on the stick is, well, at least was a minute ago, a block of chocolate. So what you do, put it in there, in the hot milk, stir it. And if I'm not mistaken, then the block should be almost gone. There's still some chocolate on it. Most of it is gone. It's gonna be good. So let's try this. Hot. Ah, ooh, but nice. Ooh. This smells good. So guys, as I promised, the StarCraft 2 beta key giveaway. These guys have pulled in a lot of new subscribers, which are still subscribed, as I checked. And I made some tickets, which I'm gonna cut up and put in a bowl and then pull one winner. So let's mix them all together and get a winner, which will be Candense. Congratulations, man. Candense, you won. There you go, buddy. Woohoo, we have a winner. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Party. Crap. I have to clean up this mess. Darn. So guys, as you can see, it's not a rainy, windy day, and I hope you can understand me. But I just had water polo training. But since it's vacation, it was really slow. Only a few kids, 2 actually, with 5 trainers, so that's a little bit much. That's an arrow, and they're working. Als je dit ziet, is alleen voor jou. Ga ik niet online zetten, maar je bent aan het snurken.